My name is Randall Scott Gates. I'm here today to ask the court to take action in support of public safety and fiscal responsibility. On June 1st, Ben Morrison was released on a PR bond on a charge of continuous sexual assault, abuse of a child. In response to the Public Information Act request, it was indicated 2 magistrates were involved in the approval of the PR bond. As you know, I've been a licensed peace officer in the state of Texas for 20 years and have personal knowledge and have worked with both judges. I never had and do not now have any reason to question the action of the judges. It occurred to me these judges may have determined Mr. Morrison was indigent. 4 months in custody could do that to a person. Since no funds were available to pay for electronic monitoring, there was no way for them to order electronic monitoring as a condition of bond. With the passage of House Bill 1506, which became law in 2009, there are now private companies who provide electronic monitoring services at no cost to the taxpayers except in the case of indigence. News reports I've read indicate Morrison was arrested at the VA hospital. That's important because while the cost of housing a prisoner is about $45.50 a day, a prisoner with special medical needs might cost taxpayers hundreds of dollars a day. While the going rate for electronic monitoring is about $13 a day or less than $13 a day, it's an 80% savings over the $45.50. The reality is implementation of electronic monitoring, which allows for house arrest, could save hundreds of thousands of dollars because people with special medical needs would be responsible for their own care if they weren't in custody. In 2007, Commissioner Meadows was quoted saying implementation of electronic monitoring could save taxpayers $800,000 a year. You factor in inflation, it's reasonable that that number today is closer to $1 million.